Hello friends, in this new video I will drive from Harihareshwar to Diveagar. This 35 kilometers drive across the coastal town of Maharashtra reminded me of my journey across the Great Ocean Road in Australia. Please watch the video, I am sure you will love it. I decided to start the journey by paying obeisance at the Bhairav temple. If you happen to be at this temple, also visit the viewpoint behind the temple. Trust me, you will love me for this tip. My personal favorite, however, is the Bangkot Fort, and I would strongly recommend to visit this fort. There's a video in my channel dedicated to this fort too. After the temple visit, I just walked in straight into the Harihareshwar beach and had a ball of a time. This, remember, is a black sand beach. The road to Shrivardhan beach can be a bit tricky, so if you're in doubt, please ask the locals. They are extremely friendly to tourists. I think this is one of the best boulevard I've ever seen in this country. Don't you think so? I actually wanted to sit there on that balcony and watch the sea the whole day long. However, I was on a journey and I had to move on. I think I can see a waterfall in the mountain. I hope you can see it too. As I approached the Aravi beach, I noticed series of betel nut and coconut trees all around. This pristine yet unknown beach is located 8 kilometers from Shrivardhan and is known for its mind-blowing sunset. Also, if you're a religious person, you can visit the nearby Lakshmi Narayan temple and Somaji temple. The next stoppage was Kondvill beach, also called as Kondvill. Kondvill is a small fishing hamlet, as you can see in the pictures. The beauty of the beach can be observed about 100 meters from this point as the road climbs to the next hill. There's a viewpoint called Kondvill viewpoint, and I would surely recommend you to stop there and take a pause and enjoy the beauty of the sea and the land all around. I shot this clip during my drive on the Great Ocean Road in Australia. In my current journey, it was raining and the water of the Arabian Sea is not deep blue, but I still ended up calling this coastal road as the Great Indian Ocean Road. You want to know why? Just stay tuned. Diveagar is approximately 10 kilometers from the Kondvill beach. The view on this entire stretch was mesmerizing, and I was tempted to stop at every turn I took. Unfortunately, the rain god was not kind, and I just had to drive on. Though I have to accept it was difficult to keep an eye on the road, especially when the landscape in front was so magnificent. I was spellbound as I passed from one village to another, and probably you understand why by looking at the pictures. The Diveagar beach is on the left side of the picture. This beach road is approximately 5 kilometers in length, and there are multiple entry points to access the beach. There are prominent display boards, and you can choose to enter the beach from any point of your choice. At the dead end of this road is a river which opens up to the sea. I reached Diveagar beach during the high tide. I am told by the locals that during the low tide, the water recedes quite a distance backward, making it a swimmer's delight. As I walked into the beach, I realized that there has been an oil spill somewhere, and naturally, the beach was paying the price for it. I just hope and pray that the authorities will take note and take all the necessary measures to clean up this beautiful beach ASAP. The beautiful drive across the sea was a pleasure which I will never forget. However, the tons of garbage which was spread all over the beaches was a nightmare to say the least. I'm signing off from Diveagar with a question for all my viewers. Do we aspire for a world with no beaches and no marine life? I guess it's time to be responsible and think twice before picking up a plastic. Stay safe and sound for my next journey in this magical planet.